Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add subscriptions on Shopify. 1. Install a subscription app. Go to your Shopify admin panel. Click Apps in the left menu. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for subscription. Example, recharge, bulk subscriptions, or seal subscriptions. Select an app, click Add App, and follow the prompts to install it. 2. Set up the subscription app. Open the subscription app from your Shopify dashboard. Configure subscription plans, example, weekly, monthly, annually, and assign them to your products. Customize billing, discounts, and cancellation policies as needed. 3. Test the setup. Review your product page to ensure subscription options are displayed correctly. Simulate a test order to confirm the subscription works. 5. Launch subscriptions. Once everything looks good, publish the changes to make subscriptions live on your store. And that's everything you need to know about how to add subscriptions on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.